Yo, what's up, guys? I actually forgot to do an intro for this video. Sorry about that. But this is a makeup for that intro. So today I'm gonna be fishing at Crescent Head, around the back side of the beach. We're up in Port Macquarie for a holiday, and I'm gonna be fishing with prawns on a size 6 flatty hook with 2 split shots. Hope you guys enjoy. Come on. Yep. Got him. Yep. Oh my fuck. Shit. Oh my god. Yeah, wait, time my jacket. Oh shit. That's a big bream. Oh shit. Bring him in. Shit, he's really fighting now. Gotta loosen my jacket. Yep. Here he comes. Yeah, he's taking line. Oh no. Yeah, he really wants. Oh, that's a nice bream. Come on, mate. No. Yep, come on in. Right. You are one nice bream, mate. Thank you for biting. Thank you so much for biting. Oh, look at that bream, guys. Look at that bream. I reckon that's a PB. What do you guys think? That's my foot against it. Far out. Let's go take him. Yeah, let's go measure him. Now, let's just, how are we gonna do this? Time to drag a bit. We'll just unhook him, put that, we'll just put that prawn out, whatever. Holds a nice bream. There you go, guys. Nice bream there. We'll just quickly go back and measure him, because I have a feeling he might be a PB. I don't have the hands to pause the camera. He really gave a good fight. That's a nice bream there, guys. Yeah. Oh, it's raining again. Alright, let's release him. Come on. Alright, guys. Oh.